It is time for the updated version of the swap portfolio. We do this every single week, and these are the numbers we had last week. Let's see what we got this week right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and do this right now. As I'm looking at the swap portfolio, Shiba Swap, or I should say Shiba, just got listed on Coinbase Pro and soon to be on Coinbase.com September 9th, 2021. So congratulations to all the SHIB holders. You should be happy right now. So let me go into the swap portfolio, and this is where we were on September 2nd, 2021. And so I see increase of tokens on most of these and a total asset in terms of revenue, $33,422. Now, on this week, I was able to add something in there that should help you in terms of following in terms of the revenue. Now, if I go from last week, well, the week before September 2nd, we were at 32,000, and then August 4th, we was at 24,000. But since then, we've been adding assets or just been basically adding tokens with the tokenomics. So if I go to this week, drum roll, let's see what happened in this week. So, and this is where we are. So September 9, 2021, the swap portfolio, Shiba and Friends portfolio in terms of profit. Now, Shiba in terms of tokens remain the same because I'm bearing my SHIB on Shiba Swap and I'm collecting those bones. Now, the price movement did go up a little bit from the last time, but you look at the revenue, we increased $345 since last week. So it's not bad at all, just basically with price action. Bone, we're actually down $1,000 with the bone price action because it's down on price from last week, 126 down to 106. And the same thing with leash. The price of leash has been down since last week. It's $606 from September 2nd because the current price is down $943 to $821. Now, this is one of the big ones right here. Saitama price has definitely increased. In terms of that, we have a revenue increase of 2,566. And I will tell you, the tokenomics in just about a week has been 4 billion, over 4 billion in tokenomics. So that pays when you're just hodling, holding your tokens. It does pay to do that. So $2,566 is the actually increase. KISHU has been down in price, but I do think there's potential there with KISHU. So we have an increase of 7 billion tokens from last week in terms of just hodling. I'm telling you, over 7 billion just hodling. That's gonna be a sleeper right there, in my opinion, in the future because of all these tokens. And we only need some price action to really make a profit. We're down $746 at the moment. Ryoshi Vision is down as well. We have that on Shiba Swap. We're waiting for the actually rewards this weekend. The price is down, so that makes the value down. So $738 from last week. Safe Moon is down as well. It's down $475.12, but the tokenomics $651,000. So I'm just holding my tokens and even staking some of these assets as well. Everrise is a big winner there. We did increase our position. I actually added more Everrise last week. So that's why that tokenomics is a little bit higher than expected. So that's about 56 billion tokens. I believe that's it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 56 billion additional tokens. And that's including some tokenomics as well. We did add it to our position as well. So an increase of $2,219 of the increase. And fake token is the last one here. I do think this one is a sleeper as well, but it's down at the moment. I'm okay. And it's $106.85 is down at the moment. So that gives us an increase from last week to this week, $1,454. And I'll tell you, most of this is just by hodling and staking my coins. Only one that I added to my position was Everwise. That was the only one. All the extra ones, these is just been added, just basically just holding and staking. So that's the update for this week of the swap portfolio, Shiba and Friends profit portfolio. I'll be back next week determine what's going to happen, if there's going to be increases and decreases, and I do think this is going up. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week for this update for the swap portfolio.